The brutal gang rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata has now led to massive protests, with the NCW team also arriving at the RG Kar hospital. The National Commission for Women claim that they've spotted multiple security lapses. NCW team getting a probe report as well on the same from the police. And the team, as they observe, claim that there's been multiple lapses when it comes to security provided for healthcare workers at the RG Kar institution. NCW's team, speaking with the students there who are protesting and the authorities, stated that in some days they will be meeting the demands of the students wanting that the case be handed over to the CBI. So we're waiting for that decision to come about by the state government. Though, remember, the perpetrator has been arrested. He's claimed and admitted before the police that he was the one who raped and murdered her, and also says, I'm willing to take capital punishment. Please hang me to death for what I've done, is what the accused arrested says. While that said, there have been several lapses when it comes to providing security to healthcare workers, and that was visible and glaring at the RG Kar hospital where that woman was raped. Let me take you through the NCW team as they visit on the site. Here's what they say.
स्टूडेंट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से भी हमने बात किया है, तो उन्होंने जो डिमांड रखा है, अथॉरिटी ने कुछ समय मांगा है ताकि उनका डिमांड अथॉरिटी कंप्लीट कर पाए। तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा कोऑपरेट करें कि अथॉरिटी भी जो स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड है वो लोग फुलफिल कर पाएंगे कुछ दिन में। और हमारे तरफ से हमने ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जल्द से जल्द अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द लॉ ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन और जो इस केस से रिलेटेड है ये जल्द से जल्द कंप्लीट करें, बट विद द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द लॉ।
All right, so that's the whole team of the NCW who've just arrived at the RG Kar hospital in Kolkata as they take stock, wanting to see what the security measures were in place, what kind of security was adopted to ensure that their healthcare workers are safe. A clear-cut response coming in from the NCW team that they failed in ensuring vigilance. And now the NCW promises that the students' demand will be met, likely for a CBI probe. NCW will also push for the same. Anirban Roy joining us live from Kolkata. He's right there tracking those protests and developments in this case. Anirban, please go on. Tell us what the NCW has observed.
Well, see, the National Commission of Women has already visited the RG Kar hospital, as well as the State Commission for Women has visited this RG Kar hospital this morning. And right now we are standing just in front of the National Medical College, where significantly the principal of RG Kar hospital has been transferred by the West Bengal government in this National Medical College of Kolkata, where the students in a huge number are protesting in front of the medical college. They are stating, they are demanding the resignation of the principal of the National Medical College, who has been appointed by the state government. And we all know that what has happened in RG Kar hospital under the principalship of that person. And right now we can see just in front of the National Medical College the protesting students, those who are giving Go Back slogan. They had already given the slogan of Go Back to two TMC MLAs, those who tried visiting the college to have some words with the students. And right now we can see the people started gathering, the doctors, the juniors, the seniors, everyone started gathering here, and they are demanding the resignation. As we all know, the court proceedings is on its way, and right now court has already said that to the principal that please you go into a long holiday, and after that there is a controversy erupts, and court has already given the proceedings that they are asking, the Chief Justice has asked for the diary report, and as well as the resignation letter and the appointment letter of the principal by the state government, as Mamata Banerjee has already said after visiting the home of the victim last Sunday, and after that she said also that she is appointing the principal of the National Medical College, as the principal of RG Kar Hospital has already given his resignation, stating that he is feeling insulting, he is feeling humiliating after the protest that is going on in the hospital as well as in the social media. And right now here the students are waiting and protesting. They are not allowing the principal, the new principal who has transferred from the RG Kar Hospital to enter in, and right now they are demanding the resignation and the ongoing investigation. They are demanding justice.
So we're going to continue tracking this as the NCW sort of pushes and echoes the words of the students who are protesting, saying this case should be handed over to the CBI. But will there be a formal push that will come in from the NCW? We've got to wait and watch.